All right, last break of the week. What a week. 2 days, but it was awesome 2 days. We're going to do triple threads number 12 teams. TDI driver Alex, or TRD driver Alex, sorry, has the Royals. Serio 6, Marlins, Pirates. Mr. Oysterhead with his Brewers. Andrew has Red Sox, Indians, Tigers, Astros, A's, Phillies, Padres, and Cardinals. Notorious B.O.B., White Sox, Craig, Diamondbacks, Dimitri, Cubs, Mets. Doug, Twins, Yankees, Nationals. E-Chen, Rangers. Quack, Giants, Mariners. Nate, Rays, and Blue Jays. Neil with the Braves. Robert, Orioles. Stu, Reds and Angels. Curse of the Hippie is real with the Dodgers. And I am taking the Rockies. Let's do this. Let's do this. I probably won't be breaking again until next Wednesday unless I get home early Sunday or maybe Monday Night Football. I don't know. Probably not, though. Triple threads. Deca booklet time. Let's do this. These are fat. Already fat. Oh, yeah. 2 beefs already to start. Thanks, Quack. We got Lucroy. Oops. Let me. Lucroy. Ricky Henderson and Puig. Altuve Green. Ripken Jr. to 99. Back beef and front beef. The back beef. Michael Pineda, 4 of 9. Jumbo Patch, Doug. Nice. And the front beef patch auto. Hanley Ramirez on the White Sox, or the Red Sox, sorry. 6 of 9. 5-time 2020. There you go, Andrew. Pretty nice Hanley. No beef. We got Myers, Carew, Smith. Carew to 354. Rizzo to 125. The back card, wheeling and dealing. Cishek, Stanton, and Jose Fernandez to 36. Nice Marlins hit. Serio 6. And for the Dodgers, Adrian Gonzalez. 10 of 50. Hippie. The curse of Hippie is slightly lifted. Nice Agon. Is that an extra hit? Bo Jackson, Whitey Ford, Roger Clemens, Satchel Paige, Ted Williams. No, not an extra hit. We got Ryan Zimmerman to 36 for the Nationals for Doug. And the auto, Didi Gregorius, red ink. Weird. Extra inning game-winning RBI, 17 of 18. Yankees, Doug. I like the red ink. McCutcheon, Kershaw, and Ortiz. Babe Ruth to 354. Doolittle to 99. Triple threat. Triple threat, Maddox, Smoltz, Chipper, Jones to 27. Neil. Yeah, another nice triple relic. This one for the Braves. I love those. And Jung Ho Gung. 79 of 99. Serio 6. Pretty solid hits so far. I haven't had a case hit yet. Late night breaking. Thursday night late night breaking. There's some beef. Oh, that's a white whale. We got a white whale. There's a Chris Bryant rookie. Purple Stan Musial. Adam Wainwright green. Chris Bryant, Michael Brantley, Carlos Gomez. The back card is an Adam Jones to 27. Yay, Robert. Loves his Orioles. Let's play Guess the White Whale. What's that? I knew it. Tried to tell Jules to get the Cardinals. J. Hay Kid. Jason Hayward, White Whale. Andrew. Nice White Whale. Jason Hayward. There's a Correa. Trout and Bench. Boggs purple. Cabrera to 50. Will come home. Welcome home. 5 of 27, Hyunjin Ryu. And Dexter Fowler, 46 of 75, Dimitri's Cubs. Yeah, we won't tell Jules. Yeah. We got Adam Jones, Miguel Cabrera, and Mark McGwire. Frank Thomas to 354 purple. Adam Jones to 125. Abreu to 27. Notorious B.O.B. And Jared Cosart. Future Phenoms, 41 of 99. Serio 6 is Marlins. Marlins with 2 hits. Ellsbury, Beltran, Page. A green Warren Spawn. Sapphire, Will Myers. Andrews Padres. Scourge of the NL, Dustin Pedroia, 14 of 36. Andrews Red Sox. Anthony Ronaldo, Texas Rangers, 62 of 75. Elvis on the board. We got Rizzo, Ripken Jr. and Freeman. Oh, why did I do that? Well, a rookie, Addison Russell, 29 of 75. Dimitri, nice one. I don't know why I did that. Warren Spawn, Sean Doolittle Green, and the relic, Ian Desmond to 18 for the Nationals for Doug. Tanaka, Pujols, and Bumgarner. Chris Archer, purple. Brantley to 250 green. Big Daddy Matt Holliday, numbered 1 of 18. Cardinals. And Brock Holt, 15 of 25. Andrews Red Sox. We got Altuve, Jeter, and Doolittle. Hank Aaron purple. A green Roger Clemens to 250. John Lester to 18 for Dimitri. Giant base card. And Christian Yelich, my dude. 17 game hitting streak, 15 of 18. Marlins. 3 hits. Oops, wrong pile. We got Ken Griffey Jr., Jacob deGrom, and Yu Darvish. Roger Clemens Poiple. Mike Piazza to 50. 2 for the books. Craig Kimbrell. Craig Kimbrell to 27 for the Braves. Neil. And the auto. Gary Brown. There you go, Quack. All your dreams have come true. 46 of 50, Gary Brown. We can go away, Gary Brown. Go away, Gary Brown. Go home, Gary Brown. You're drunk. Oh, that is a big boy. Look at that. That is a huge... That might be a Deca. It's definitely a booklet. It has to be a booklet. Oh, and this has some beef too. A front beef. Chipper Jones. Schmidt. And Cano. We got a purple Bo Jackson. Kluber to 99. Tuvialala to 36. What's the front beef? Marcus Semien. Pinch perfect 9 of 9. Andrew. All right, what do we got going on here? I think this is a Deca. No, regular booklet. Topps Triple Threads Baseball. All right, Posey, Price, and Wainwright. A purple Will Myers. Nolan Ryan to 125. And an autograph of Matt Shoemaker. 13 of 99 for the Angels. For Stu. The Book. Oh, for Nate. Oh! The Rays' best hit of all time. Evan Longoria Bat Knob Patch 1 of 1 booklet. Yikes. The bat knob and a dual patch. Look at that. That is the greatest Rays hit of all time here. Has there ever been a better Rays hit? No way. We never will beat that. Wow. Longoria. Bat knob, dual patch, 1 of 1. I like how they threw the dual patches for no reason. Like you need that with a bat knob. You know what this bat knob booklet needs is a couple patches. Because it's not good enough with just the bat knob. Wow. Look at that. Nate. Monster hit, Nate. Oh, mama. Wow. Triple threads, baby. Can't beat triple threads. Greatest race hit of all time. What a night. What a way to end the night and the week. DiMaggio, Felix Hernandez, and Greg Maddux. Purple Whitey Ford. Machado green. Chase Utley to 36. And Carlos Martinez to 50. God, I hope Jules doesn't watch this. Tons of Cardinals hits. Musial, Mattingly, Smoltz, Purple Cole Hamels, Matt Kemp Green, Starling Marte to 36, two-way star, Serio 6, and another Marcus Semien, 12 of 99, jersey auto for Andrew. Last box of the break. Yeah, that is her favorite player. We won't mention it to her. A white whale? Oh my gosh. I tried to tell him. I told him right when I posted this break. They got killed on 5-star, so I can't blame them. They got like one Matt Carpenter hit out of 3 cases or something. How about a triple auto to end it? We're asking for too much. Stanton, Thomas, and Johnson. Craig Biggio green, sorry. Rendon to 99. John Lester to 27. Dimitri's Cubs. Rusney. A Rusney rookie to 75, Andrew. Last pack. So sad. Give us a triple auto just for fun. Oh, well, we got a back beef. Someone's getting a nasty patch, hopefully. Bautista. Biggio. Piazza. I'm surprised we haven't hit a 1-of-1 base card yet. 354, Mariano Rivera. DiMaggio to 125. Oh, all-star patches? Alex Colomb. More race hits. Is it all-star patch? Oh, it is all-star patches to end it. It's going to be a Wainwright all-star patches. No, Craig Kimbrell, 8 of 9. Neil's Braves. Dang, this case had a booklet, a white whale, all-star patches, Rusney rookie. Pretty awesome case. Adrian Gonzalez. That was pretty epic. Maybe the best case. The best case without a Deca booklet. That was pretty crazy.